Hey everyone, we're going to continue our Rubik's Cube PLL series with the Accw algorithm. This is the corner counterclockwise algorithm. So let's take a look. There we go. Okay, so this cube is set up for this algorithm. Notice it's solved except for the corners. Specifically, this corner here goes to this side. It's the yellow, blue, red. Yellow, blue, red's over here. So I hold it this way. If I hold it this way, this corner goes here. So I know it's not the opposite direction. It's this way because this corner goes across. That's what you look for to make this work. So here's the way this algorithm works. I'm usually holding the cube like this. I switch my grip up, rotate through, and now this corner I'm going to push all the way down to here. And then rotate the bottom twice, lift, turn, and down. Twice on the bottom, twice on the side. See? So let's try that again. It's a X prime and an R, a U prime, an R, a D2 for the down face, and then it's R prime, U, R, D2, and then R2. So yet again, I'm here. I notice this isn't the right setup, but I notice that it is for the sake of argument. So I switch my grip here, R and X prime R. Then I go U prime, R, D2, R prime, U, R, D2, R2. Yet again, we're back in the position that works. This corner goes across. So, and we're done. All right. So, as always, like, comment, subscribe. Let me know if there's any algorithm you prefer to this one or any comments, and I will see you guys in the next video.